Hakini kajuk kyrduh kam kyrduh jam Mynta, kaseng Salesian jong Don Bosco Shillong Province kala shimkhia kumno banlong ki atiar ban pynioh kami ki Samla da kaba shibun ki Jinghikai ha ki jat bapher. Kini ki Jinghikai bapher ki bala ai kumha Don Bosco Technical Shillong, Don Bosco Youth Centre, Don Bosco Tech Nongstoin, Bosco Pnar bat kiwe ki jaka, kini ki Jinghikai bala ithu da ka sorkar bat bun kini ki Shlem ai Jinghikai ban yo kam ne seng kam la jong, kidon ka Jinghikai ru bat kiwe ki Kompani ban pha nong Trei andala dap ka Jinghikai. Mentagas ngi ka arpo artarik unaitung ka Bosco Integrated Development Society ka badai ka office ba pej iki kampen roy jong ka Salesian Province jong ka Shillong harun kat ka Jingtrei lang ba ka Don Bosco Technical Shillong kala pelong ye ka mini job fair ban plilat iki Samla wat kam jong ka Jylla. La play ye kani ka mini job fair da principal ka Don Bosco Technical School upadar shining dekhar Hakajing Sindran lang Vice Principal Brother Lambert Lingdoa, Ba Cyber Cream MIS Management Information System and ME Master of Engineering Officer, Ba Alex Pariat, Mobile Repairing Trainer, Kong Kerlinas Emle, Fast Food Trainer Bat Kisamlawat Kam. Habakren Hagatega Rinsan, U Principal Jong Don Bosco Technical School Upadar Shining Dekhar, Ulo ang bangimde ban kwa tangi kam sorkar. Ban shong shuki ni ban long he hen rengi de ban tre shitam ban yeng halaki jong ki kjat ban yo ban ai kam lang shiki weiru.
We know the job scenario in our state where the jobs are limited and the government is pushing forward the idea of entrepreneurship very much, encouraging us to start up our own using the ideas and skills that we have to begin our own. Where the concept of being job seeking is diminishing and the concept of job providing is being promoted. That all of us should strive not only to seek job but also to create jobs and give job to others. That is a concept that is being promoted worldwide and particularly in India where the young population is enormous. The young population is enormous. A huge workforce, the demand. Manpower is enormous, but jobs are limited. I'm happy to see many of the employers who have come here today, different companies, local. Your very presence is an inspiration to the students that they can also start something and give employment. Dear students, you have come here. I have been trying to motivate the students for the particular job fair. You have come here. Look at the people who are sitting here, the employers who are coming here. They are like you and me, our own blood, our own people. But they have created job opportunities for you, for others. The society will move on, the society will develop only if we all have the attitude of giving, creating something and offer to the society. Not what can I get from the society, but what can I give to the society, what can I contribute to the society. And dear students, you have been studying, you have been here, especially students of Don Bosco Technical School. You have come to study, to acquire skills. For what? If not for this purpose, either to get employment or to create job and employ others. I believe all of you are here not for time pass, not for hobbies, but for serious business. All of you are here for serious business. Is there any one of you who does not want job? Dear students, is there any one of you who does not want job? All of you want job. And when we look in the world of job, we have arrays of work available, different avenues, platforms for us. But the problem with us is we all look for white collar job. White collar job. As soon as I finish my training, my study, I want to sit on a chair. I want to command and get handsome salary. That is an illusion, my dear students. This is an illusion. You ask those are sitting here, they will tell you, white collar job is not meant for everybody. Not all can be there. Not all can be there. If there are 100 people applying, there's only one job available. So we have to believe that us, of course, I'm not trying to discourage you to prepare, to strive for the highest possible level, but as we prepare, as we strive, we should not waste our time. We should begin at the ground level. Begin at the ground level.
Ki Kompani ki belawan ban Mynta ban Iaki ki kena Samla, ki Longa Cafe Sola Shillong, Nongbri Traditional Dressmaking Unit, ZN Solution, Reliance Geo, 24/7 AI, Saver by D, Batka Frank Motors.